Hey there, friends. Happy Saturday afternoon to you. There's a mower going in the background. Sorry about that. When I do the videos for the flow journals, I always encourage you guys to take out a signature and just drop it into your purse or your bag or whatever you carry around with you as an art to go kit. And I thought, well, maybe it would be fun for people to just have a signature just for that purpose. So today, kind of designed some signatures. You can also use these as, if you've exhausted the signature that's in your flow journal, then you can use these to replenish. They've got a lot of fun stuff in them, and I'm going to go through each one of them for you. These fit the 5 3/4 by 8 journals that I've been making. So 5 3/4 by 8. The signatures are about 5 1/4 by 7 1/2, and that makes them fit into the 5 3/4 by 8 journals really well. Of course, if you just want an independent signature to, like I said, drop into a bag or drop into a backpack or whatever you're taking with you, to have an art to go kit. So let's just take a look at these. I'm very happy with them. I dug deep into my ephemera and image collection, using things that I have not used before in flow journals, just because you guys might like to have a substitute signature in a flow journal. So, and I didn't want you to have like all the same stuff repeated. So let's just go in here. Let's look real quick and see what we have. Of course, we have 2 pockets and just all kinds of color things to play with here. We've got our trading cards. I did put a little stencil sheet in each one. Just dug deep into all of my little embellishments. So you've got all kinds of fun things in here to play with. I can't unload the whole pocket because that would just take too long. There's a game, that's a Yahtzee game, and it looks like it's from maybe the 60s or so. These are what the pages look like. Lots of things for you to color. This is some canvas paper. This is from a video game, and I just don't remember what the video game was. I can't remember what it was, but it's the Office of Naval Intelligence. It looks like it looks like a secret sort of file for somebody. This is from the 1977, I think, working with houseplants. So you've got, this is a little page about bromeliads, more coloring pages, a little bit of Jane Austen. This is from a Jane Austen book that I have not used very much. Again, this is the Cotswolds in England from an old calendar. This is some bristleboard. A portion from a children's book, 1968 fashion magazine. I love the little kitty footprints. A little bit of Halloween, because we have it coming up. Something for you to color over here. More Halloween, 1968 fashion magazine. A little bit of Christmas, because that's coming up too, my friends. Halloween here. This is, these are portions of an old calendar. More kitty cats. So just things that look at the dimple in that chin. Just things that I have not used before that I really dug deep, so you guys would have something totally different to play with. And then the back of it has several things in there too. This is a transparency, which is always kind of fun to play with. So you've got elements in there to create with as well. And I just tied everything together. The binding is just a piece of embroidery floss, and then I have a small piece of lace that I'm tying this with. These are $12.50 and they're going in the shop today. And I'm going to do them first class postage. We'll see if we can do them media, but that always really scares me because they open media mail, and if it's not just paper, they will toss it. They don't send it back to you. They just get rid of it. So we can see the little pocket here. Here's your stencil. Art trading cards here, art trading card blanks, a little bit of paper here. This is Bath, England, again from the Jane Austen book, a little bit of something for you to color. These backing pieces here are heavyweight watercolor paper. 1968 fashion magazine. I think this was 78, you guys. Look at that. That's a Hatiori. Isn't that beautiful? That's pretty too. That's a small South American cactus. 1968 fashion magazine. Canvas paper. And this was a calendar from England. And it's actually from England. My friend sends it to me every year. A bit of Halloween, a little bit of bling for you. And playing card. These are some things that folks have sent to me over the years. A bit of Jane Austen for you. And another pocket of things to play with right here. Now, if you guys like this concept, I'll be making more of these. But if it's just something that, sometimes we gravitate to things and sometimes we don't. I just thought that it would be, it's a great gift, to send to somebody who may not want an entire book. You may not want an entire book. You may want to build yourself a book and buy a few of these signatures. Right now, these are the only ones that I have, so it's kind of an experiment. We'll see how it goes. So I will have these in the shop a little later on this afternoon. Just look for the covers because I'm not going to, I'll title them because I have to, but I don't know what I'm going to title them yet. Thank y'all for hanging out with me and another one of my harebrained ideas. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.